Menteri katna boarding itu model la pentip kayeng dor bar ba kamat kabede kajing aiwai ka Jaka Pung Umiam syakamat Chaprang Tourism Promotion Group la depan Pynbeit ka MEECL kalong terai Halor ka lumpong deng bal aiwai ya shi akar ka Jaka sya ka MTPG na du Snem khat khandai spa khandai punyo hadu hajar hinyo Omsyam la pentamai syu ya kani kajing semuai namar ba ka MEECL kaladon kami ya kani kajaka hendrai hadian kajing kerpat na kamat Chaprang Tourism Promotion Group ban penjelan ya kapor kum talak pediang ban penjelan ya kapor hadu ka khatsan terik urimpang hajar pusan kabla ailat ban ya keren sngotu Halor kani
The land in question is now needed by the government for the purpose of various developmental activities. Accordingly, the chairman of Chaprang Tourism Promotion Group, Shillong, was informed by letter dated 11 November 2024 that extension of land lease will no longer be extended after the lease period is expired, which has already expired on the 31st December 2024. The chairman of the Chaprang Tourism Promotion Group, by letter dated 15th January 2025, requested the MECL to extend the deadline so as to enable them to pursue the matter with the authorities concerned. The same has been entertained and extended up to 15th of February 2025.